Treadmills can be expensive. But you don't need to spend an arm and a leg on one if you're not even interested in all the bells and whistles. In fact, there are plenty of high-quality, reliable treadmills available under $500 that are equipped with the essentials you need to stay healthy and active at home. 1. XTERRA Fitness TR Folding Treadmill. This affordable treadmill has a 16-inch by 50-inch running surface and a 250-pound weight limit. It has an LCD display that tells you your speed, incline, time, distance, calories and pulse. This treadmill offers 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings. It folds up for easy storage, which makes it a terrific option if you live in a condo or apartment. The Xterra TR150 is a decent choice out of the many options that have flooded today's market and is not a complete waste of space. It carries most of the standard features of treadmills in this price category but comes up short in the incline department. 2. urevo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The urevo 2-in-1 is a great foldable treadmill option for users looking for a treadmill specifically for walking on while working at a standing desk or for some at-home exercise. It's only about 5 inches thick, so it won't boost you so tall that you can't reach your elevated desktop while you stand on it. The name comes from the fact that it has a walking mode and a running mode, depending on the position of the upright frame. Another benefit to the simplicity of this model is how easy it is to get started on it. It's ready to roll right out of the box. With the upright frame folded down in walking mode, the urevo 2-in-1 has a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, ideal for anyone looking to add some moderate movement or light cardio to their daily routine. If you lift the arms and console to put the treadmill into running mode, it can speed up to accommodate a pace up to 7.6 miles per hour. 3. Serene Life Smart Electric Folding Treadmill. This treadmill has 3 built-in programs to meet your exercise goals, and has an easy-to-read display that tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. It also has a built-in stereo speaker so you can jam out to your favorite playlists via the USB flash and SD card readers with the MP3 digital audio playback function. But what makes this treadmill as good as other options at triple the price is that it connects with the Fit Show app that streams personalized workouts and competitions, records your stats, and more. On top of all that, it's foldable and portable, and it's easy to control the elevation to meet your needs. 4. Gymax 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. This folding treadmill has 2 sport modes. It can be used as a running treadmill or an under-desk walking treadmill. It has a touchscreen LED display to monitor your data in real time, a super quiet motor so you can simultaneously zoom or watch Netflix, and a remote control and safety key to immediately shut it down in an emergency. Available in colors such as red, green, and gold, this is a standout among all the black machines on the market, and also has convenient transport wheels so that you can effortlessly move it from room to room. And people who rely on a workout playlist to get moving, rejoice. This tread plays music too. 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride T7515 Smart Treadmill. When it comes to value for money, the Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride T7515 is the best overall for home treadmills under $500. Packed with technology that you'd normally expect to see with a treadmill at a higher price mark such as auto incline, built-in speakers, and Bluetooth connectivity. It is surprisingly great for how cheap it is and demonstrates the perfect combination of durability and function. Despite all the bells and whistles, it's still super easy to operate, and the large LCD screen makes tracking your fitness goals feel like clockwork. It is very sturdy and accommodating of a long stride, yet still conveniently foldable for storage between use.